Hey guys, welcome back. Well, guess what? We have some more spoilers for you, and this is considered spoiler number 3 for the Boxyluxe March box. Now, actually, in reality, it's actually 5 spoilers total, but I'll explain why later. Before we get into it, let me go ahead and just remind you that Boxyluxe is a $49.99 every 3 months. You'll receive 8 or more full-size products, and you'll be able to choose 1 to 3 of your items. And the total value of the March box is $375. And you will be receiving your Luxy box in March, June, September, and December. Now, if you want more information on BoxyCharm or Boxyluxe, then make sure you check out my link that I have for you in the description below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any spoilers or videos that I have for you. Now, let's go ahead and get into all the spoilers. Now, you'll be receiving one of these 3 items. This is a variant, so you'll be able to choose one of the 3 items. And let's look at the items a little closer if you haven't seen them already. The first item is from Tarte. This is the Tarte's Pro Remix Palette. And then from Sutrabeauty, you have the mini curling wand. This is going to be received in either pastel yellow or pastel lavender. And then last in this category is from Murad. This is the Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So if you want some face products, then don't worry, they got you covered. Now remember, you're going to receive one of those 3 items. So this is spoiler number 2 and 3 for you. And all Boxyluxe members will receive these items. The first item is from PMD. This is the Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device in teal, blush, or navy. And this retails for $99. Then next we have from NARS. This is the Power Matte Lip Pigment. And these shades vary, so I'm not really sure which ones we're going to get. But this retails for $26. And also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you check out my last video. I'm going to give you an update on the Boxy Beauty Blendiful. And I also have a giveaway going on, which you don't want to miss out. I'll make sure I put the link in the description below for you. Okay guys, so what do you think of the spoilers so far? Now remember, we're still going to get 5 more items, so there's still more spoilers to come. And as soon as I get the information, I'll definitely keep you updated. So that's a reason that you want to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first.